She'll gladly do it for me. Okay, good morning everyone. Oh, I think they gave us a morning. Somewhere. Because the trash can. Oh, it's a big one. Come here, Kim. Wait for mommy. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I'm a simple Filipino American living in the US with my family, showing my everyday life experiences. Here, I took the trash can at the back of the house and check it out. We will have a new garbage services starting October 1st. The garbage can includes a magnet for a refrigerator, some reminders, and other information regarding our new garbage service. The garbage can is a lot bigger than our own garbage can, but we will not have a recycling service, so all the trash will be in this can starting October 1st. Okay everyone, oh it's raining. I need to get this dirt over here so I can plant my snake plant for our bedroom. So it is. Okay. And then I will gonna replant my snake plant. I hope everybody's doing good from wherever you are. So here is my snake plant. And this is my aglaonemas. I'm gonna put this in our bedroom. So I have to replant it. It's kind of rainy right now, so I don't know. Let me get my gloves here. And then we're gonna put some dirt on it. So I already planted. Hopefully this dirt will gonna be enough, because I only have a little bit of it. Yeah, me and my son went out today. He wanted to learn how to drive again, so I took him over to the school's parking lot, their school, because over there's a big space where I can teach him and do some parking and doing the U-turn and 3-point stuff. Yeah, he did a good job today, so I'm very proud of him. So I said next time again, because he really wanted to go and drive to school. Yeah. Yeah, I guess this is so good now. I think I can put it in our bedroom, because I love plants in our bedroom, you know. Okay, I will also replant these aglaonemas into these pots, so I don't want to throw them. Hey, nag-garden. How about you? Okay, I'm gonna put it in our bedroom now. Oh, this is so heavy. Yeah. After I replanted the snake plant, I had and make some turon, a quick snack, Filipino snack that we grew up with in the Philippines. Please check out my cooking playlist on my channel, and you can watch all of my cooking recipes, including this snack called turon. Then after cooking the turon, I asked the boys to uninstall their leaky bidet in their bathroom. They tried to uninstall it and then called me for help. So I teach them how to do it and to learn from it. I think one of the most valuable lessons I tried to teach my kids was how to fix things around the house. This may seem like a small thing, but trust me, it's a big deal. It's crucial to teach our kids these skills because it provides them with independence and self-reliance. Think about it, if your child knows how to fix a broken door, or door handle, or replace a light bulb, they'll be able to tackle these issues themselves without relying on anyone else. Plus, these skills can save you a lot of money and time in the long run. Moreover, when kids learn how to fix things, they develop a sense of achievement and pride in their abilities. This can boost their self-esteem and confidence in all areas of life. So, let me ask you this, are you teaching your kids how to fix things in their own homes? If not, trust me when I say it's valuable skills that they'll use for life. Plus, it saves you a pretty penny in the long run. So, I say let's raise a generation that is self-reliant, resourceful, and confident. cook some chicken and coconut milk with bamboo shoots. Leftover Turon. Day after day, it's been overcast and then the sky turned darker and darker. You know that day when everything seems to slow down and the air is filled with magical atmosphere? I can picture it now, the sound of the raindrops pattering on the window, the smell of the wet pavement, and the sight of umbrellas dotting the street. It's these little moments that make me cherish a rainy day. There's something about this weather that makes me feel more creative, more in tune with my thoughts and feelings. It's like the rain brings out a different side of me, one that I don't always get to explore. So today, let's embrace this cozy atmosphere and use it as an opportunity to delve into our thoughts and feelings. Who knows, maybe we'll discover something new about ourselves in this tranquil setting. We try to stay dry and keep exploring our inner world. Rin, you wanna pee-pee? Okay, let's go and do something outside because the rain is coming again soon. Look at this. I have to make a drainage for the water to go on this side of the house because it's kind of like it's the water, standing water. Let's just make this up. Okay, I think I need to take this thing off of here. Please don't forget to drop me a like, comment, and if you're not subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button for me, please. Thank you. Until next time, paalam!